Hi, my name is Cheryl Adams. I'm an interior designer and set decorator for TV and film out of Atlanta, Georgia. The name of my company is Lux Interiors and Events. Today I'm going to share with you a few simple tips that you can add to your home decor. One of those things is going to be adding the tablecloth. The tablecloth I'm going to share with you today is actually going to add a subtle difference, but yet it's going to be the pop of color and the accent and theme for what you're going to be sharing, what you're going to be seeing today. This dining table, very cute, simple, very chic. But what we're going to add to that is a little bit of elegance with a oatmeal color or linen colored tablecloth. This is very soft, subtle, but yet it still gives you a nice bump of color, and it also gives you a nice theme for your setting. You have the floral, which adds a little femininity to your setting. You have the oatmeal colored chairs with a nice lining or piping down the side, which actually gives you a bump of color as well. The contrast is nice. So instead of taking a steady look at this color and adding it back to the same table decor, what you're going to use is the plum. Plum is going to be our accent color for this setting, and what it'll do is add a nice, again, subtle accent to what you're doing. What you'll see here is a backdrop. We have a beautiful lamp that has the same oatmeal color that's going to be blending in with what you have. You can also just take things from around your home. You don't have to go out and spend a lot of money to add these subtle elements to your home decor or home design. A simple tablecloth that you can pick up anywhere from your Targets, your Home Goods, your simple home everyday stores. And what you can do, take elements from around your home, like this beautiful clay pot. Use it for your centerpiece. You can put pine cones, you can put florals in it. You don't, again, have to spend a lot of money for that. And those little small bumps will be what sets the tone for the entire kitchen, or in this case, if it's a corner of your breakfast room, you can just make it really simple and easy, a nice transition into what other colorful elements you might add into the kitchen, or if there's an adjacent room that you might want to throw a color in. You can set this color tone here and easily transition that into your other rooms. This is going to be for a small setting, so you don't need a lot. You can use something with color. In this case, I chose to use something that will actually blend a little bit more subtly into the decor, and it actually still picks up on the motif that we have. Nice, feminine, floral. We have the Parisian theme with the fleur-de-lis motif that's actually showing on the lampshade here. So that's what we're trying to do. Simple, timeless, elegant decor.